welcome back. We are taking a look at the concept of dancing inside the music by using On2 timing. How can we make sense of this idea? Before we dive into it, please hit subscribe below so you can stay on top of the latest videos from Salsa Goals. Last time, we examined the contratiempo timing. Remember that for a tiempo, or on-1 timing, the dancer's dominant foot highlights beats 1, 3, 5, and 7. However, for contratiempo timing, the dancer's dominant foot highlights beats 2, 4, 6, 8. This contratiempo stepping pattern is the original way that Cubans danced On2. However, the general pattern used by today's On2 New York style salsa dancers is slightly different, because it seems to be based on a modified version of the original Cuban contratiempo pattern, which was used in the 1940s and 1950s by mambo dancers at New York's Palladium Ballroom. In fact, that Palladium era contratiempo stepping pattern is now referred to as Power 2, and the full basic stepping sequence of that Power 2 pattern would be written as 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. How can this be like dancing inside the music? Well, remember that on-1 timing was referred to as a tiempo, which literally means on time. This means that the dancer's dominant foot was following the song's strong or core beats of 1, 3, 5, and 7. These core beats make up the pulse of the song. This metronome-like pulse provides the rhythmic structure and stabilizes the tempo of the song. So by dancing a tiempo, or on time, the dancer was literally outlining the rhythmic frame of the music. It's like the on-1 dancer is literally stepping on the principal timing structure of the music. Likewise, by stepping on the even-numbered weak beats of the music, it's like the contratiempo dancer is literally stepping in between the strong core beats which make up the rhythmic structure of the song's pulse. In this way, it can be said that dancing on-2, contratiempo style, is like dancing inside the music instead of on the music. Interesting concept, huh? And just as the campana can be an excellent guide for on-1 footwork, the pattern of the conga drums, also known as the conga tumbao, can be an excellent and consistent guide for contratiempo footwork. And there you have it. Dancing with contratiempo timing can really be like dancing inside the music. But wait, the modern New York style of salsa on-2 footwork isn't quite contratiempo. So can this modern New York on-2 style also be considered as truly dancing inside the music? Stay tuned for part 3.